What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we'll be getting some work done on my Honda S2000. We're heading to our buddy Memo's house, fellow S2000 owner who works on a bunch of them. So we're gonna do some basic tune-up stuff, transmission fluid flush. We're gonna change out, do some like valve adjustments, change out the gasket, O-rings, stuff like that. While he's at it, might as well get him help me out with oil change. It's been a little bit since I've done my own oil change. I'm also rocking some merch that I got in Japan. So right here, I'm wearing a Voltex hoodie, pretty stoked. Not hoodie, a Voltex jacket, and also rocking a HKS t-shirt inside. But yeah, let's go head over to his house. Should be a fun little drive. Oh, and I can't talk about S2000 without showing it, right? So let's go ahead and give it a nice cold start and pull it off the garage. All right, it's been maybe 2 weeks since I've driven the S2000. All right, just letting it warm up right now for a couple minutes before we head on our drive. So Memo pretty much picked up the supplies for me. Only thing I picked up was the oil. I just went ahead and got mobile one from my local auto parts store. That's about 5.5 quarts for the S2000 10W30. Got some mobile one. All right, so we just made it here to Memo's, and Memo's helping us out with some maintenance stuff, tune up today. So what are we gonna tackle first?
The what again?
What are we gonna tackle first? We're gonna do.
Yeah, we're just gonna remove the valve cover.
Okay.
So we can let it cool down.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna do a valve adjustment, transmission flush, engine oil change, and take a whole look of the car, making sure everything's good, nothing needs maintenance.
Yeah.
And then yeah, just go from there.
Okay, cool. And if you guys don't already know Memo, he is a well-known guy in the S2000 community. Really cool S2000 build. Really cool garage space too. You guys might notice the HKS livery in the background. A lot of cool little JDM trinkets all around, which I'll show you guys later. Also have like super cool EK build that he's working on. Yeah, just such a cool man cave. Oh, and thank you to Memo for giving us this ASM sticker. This was actually a Tokyo Auto Salon exclusive. Didn't notice it when I was there. I'm not sure if they ran out or maybe I just, just didn't see it. But we have the S2000 lifted up on these quick jacks. And right now he's just pretty much masking it off just so it's nice and protected. And before we started, actually Memo's really good about these, I guess, OCD in a really good way. So like my intake was kind of not sitting flush, so he did some adjustments. Now it sits nice and flush. Also this little cap here that's been bothering me for a while. I use an oversized cap. This is really meant for AP1, and yeah.
Like that.
Real ghetto looking. So this is so much better now.
Get a drawer, a bigger drawer for all that.
Memo's S2000 Honda OEM stuff. That's crazy. Like, wow. And like I said, he has a bunch of random car memorabilia right here. Oh, I love these. Initial D stuff. We have shift knobs, anything from OEM, Honda S2000, ASM, Feels, oil caps, radiator caps, Mugen, Seeker, Jace Racing, HKS stuff, Yashio Factory. That's so cool. Wow, it's pretty much like a car guy's dream. That's so cool. And I still can get over this HKS livery wall, even though Memo's debating maybe changing it out.
Good 5 years.
Yeah. And his little EK project he's working on. Doing the wiring harness right now. So cool. This is like a full build. It's gonna take a little bit. That's crazy. And the paint on this is super nice too. What car paint is this off?
That's from Tacoma.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
same color. Yeah.
Tacoma.
I see that now.
So
Okay.
my Tacoma and the Civic is the same, you know,
Matching paint.
matching. So whenever I'm towing it to the track,
That'll be
then
cool.
They can both match.
That's, and the yellow pops too.
Yeah. Yeah, so technically it's a J's Racing hood.
Okay.
So, technically, whenever you bring everything down, you can see the valve cover from...
Oh, from the hood.
Yeah, from the hood. So that
That's
was the goal.
crazy.
So I might have to move this.
Oh, wow.
So you'll be able to see the valve cover
This
and
is-
the tow hooks from the front bumper
That's cool.
from the outside.
Would it have any mesh grill or just exposed
No,
like that?
Just exposed like
Yeah, that's cool. Wow. That's
Mhm.
cool. I love that little detail.
that. Yeah, thank you.
Then we have the engines here. Just casual S2000 engine hanging out. Not one, but two. Wow. Both are F22s?
They're both F22s. Yeah, one of them's
Nice.
an 0405 and the other one's an 06 Plus. I don't know, I'd say 32.
The more I'm sitting at a memo shop, the more little cool stuff I notice. So all the little cool stickers from, you know, nice JDM brands, down to little air fresheners. We have Rays, HKS. Oh, this one is cool. Little HKS oil change plate. JDM, I guess these are candy.
Yeah.
And
Have to.
stickers from all the cool brands. So cool. Do you have a favorite brand? Would you say ASM is your favorite brand, or?
I like all of them. And
Yeah.
there's something that I like for all of them, but ASM is obviously like S1000. So
Yeah. Chronicles. Shout out Joey. Mugen, Scuba Circuit, Fields, Recaro, Larry Chen. So cool.
yeah, I like to. So that was my first. That was my first toolbox.
This one, right?
Yeah, that was my first one. And then from there, when I got working at dealership, I got this one. And then
Is this a metal sticker?
It is.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Mhm.
Mugen sticker. Oh, that's cool too. A little drawing.
Yeah.
Is that a magnet?
It is a magnet.
Man, I should have got that. I should have got that.
yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, dude.
This year, yeah, Auto Salon this year. Wow,
That's pretty cool.
this is cool too. A little 10 mil from Race. I have the HKS Tone one. Initial D stuff. Down to Type R wheel.
Yeah.
Cool.
Man, whenever I change that gas tank on that car,
So cool. So Memo likes to take photos of the cars as well as customers here at the shop with his Polaroid. So we took one of me as well as S2000 here. This backdrop is just so sick, the oil slick. I still can't get over it, but super cool. And we officially have Memo.
sorry. That really sucks.
It's all good. Yeah, his little sticker, the custom sticker, that's super cool.